Today we're here in Knoxville, Tennessee at Bubba's Barrels doing some aluminum welding with the HDP Pro Pulse 300. This guy has specialized in some beer brewing equipment, some kettles and fermentation things and whatever the technical terms are. So let's go in here and see what he does and how he does it. To get a closer look at the setup, hear a little bit how it really works, how it all rolls, how the guy welds. So here's what it looks like on the outside. Dual shield stainless E308 LT1 dragged, and out of that lip where the bottom is pressed in, a little bit oil from the forming die came out and the stainless wire dealt with it just fine. This is as welded the outside or the back side there. No sugaring, nothing. And then the next picture is going to show you the inside. And here, as you see, no discoloration, no sugaring, nothing. Everything is still perfectly sanitary. So, and after everything is cleaned up here real nice, not just wire brush, but also like with the passivation machine and everything, and the welds look nice and shiny and everything is touched up. This is what the finished product looks like. And then from there, everything is being shipped out.